The first step in completing your same and different artistic thinking worksheet is to choose 2 art pieces that we're going to look at. Now you can do this online or you can do it using a paper copy. If you would like me to send you a paper copy, please let me know. If you go to the Elementary Distance Learning Resources website, you'll find a link right here that says artwork. And it has pairs of artwork that you can do for this worksheet. You don't have to use these, but they're a good jumping off point. Underneath each piece, we'll have the name of the artist, the title, which should be italicized or tilted slightly. It'll have the year that it was made, and it will tell you what it's made out of. For mine, I'm using these 2 for the example. The first step is to put artwork 1 here and artwork 2 here. Now, if you choose to go to use a different pair of artwork than that's on the website, make sure that you put the artist's name as well. But since I'm using a pair that's on the website, I can just put the name. Now, this name is kind of long, so I'm just going to copy and paste. Most of the names for the rest of ours aren't that long. But if you need a parent to help you write it all down, that's just fine. And then artwork 2 is tableau 1. So, gotta get it all in there. Now I have to look at them and think, how are they the same? Okay, so I'm looking at them, and the first thing that I noticed is that they're both sort of broken up into squarish shapes. Now this one has some rectangles too, that's true, but they both kind of have these lines that are kind of separating it into different parts. So what I'm gonna write over here is that they're both broken up with squarish shapes. And then looking at them, I'm also noticing that this one has lots of yellows, reds, and blues, and this one also has yellow, red, and blue. And those are our primary colors. So I am going to put that they both have red, yellow, and blue. Primary colors. Now I have to figure out how are they different. So over here, I'm going to put some things that only this one has. And over here, I'm going to put things that only artwork 2 has. So looking at artwork 1 first, I can notice right away it has a lot more colors than just those primary colors. So I'm going to put here that it has a lot of colors. I'm also looking at it and it has these circle-y shapes. This one doesn't have any circles on it, so I'm going to put that this one has circle shapes. Has circles. Okay? Now they're not perfect circles, but they're pretty good circles. So now I have to figure out some things that artwork 2 has. So that this one has that this one doesn't. So going back, and right now, just straight up looking at it, this one has a lot more white than this one does. This one has barely any white. So that's the very first thing I noticed, and I'm going to put on there. Has a lot of white. And then going back, the other thing I noticed that this one has that this one doesn't is this one has these dark black bold lines that kind of break it up. This one, it doesn't really have any lines breaking it up. It's just where their 2 colors meet kind of make the line. But this one, it's boom, black bold line. So I am going to put that this one has bold black lines. And that is how you complete your same and different page, by choosing 2 pieces of artwork, telling me how they're the same, and then telling me what differences they have, the things that the other one doesn't have. And that's all you have to do.